Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You've just taken a screenshot. Now find it fast. First, open File Explorer or Finder and go to Desktop or Pictures right arrow screenshots because those are common defaults. Once there, sort by date modified so the newest images appear at the top. This makes identifying recent captures immediate. Also scan file names for patterns like screenshot or IMG since auto-generated names reveal them quickly. If you're on a managed laptop, check a synced folder like OneDrive or iCloud next. Because backups, once done with the basics, you search to narrow results. Type kind, picture, or asterisk. PNG in Windows search, or use Finder's search with kind, image on Mac. You should also inspect the clipboard if you copied the screenshot instead of saving it. Windows Clipboard History, Win+V, or Mac's Clipboard can hold an image. If you use Snipping Tool or Grab, open their history or recent captures. Finally, make sure to check Cloud Sync folders, because automatic backup moves files off the local drive. To finish, restore or recover any missing screenshots. First check Recycle Bin or Trash and restore if present. Deleted items often sit there briefly. If nothing's there, open your Photos or Image Import app. Some systems auto-import screenshots into the library. If you never saved the file and it was copied, inspect clipboard history immediately. If those fail, use a reputable file recovery tool as a last resort, and make sure to stop writing new files so recovery success stays higher.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.